हेलो दोस्तों, मैं कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी एंट्रेंस पेपर्स के हवाले से एक और पेपर लेकर आया हूं। दोस्तों, आज का जो हमारा पेपर है वो है एमएससी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। ये 2020 का पेपर है। दोस्तों, वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आपको मैं बताऊं कि तक मैंने बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का एंट्रेंस पेपर डिस्कस किया है। वो सारे पेपर्स आपको मिल जाएंगे प्ले लिस्ट में, जहाँ पे एंट्रेंस पेपर्स के नाम का लिस्ट है। तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। दोस्तों, यहाँ पर एक बात इंपॉर्टेंट है कि जो भी आंसर की हम डिस्कस करते हैं इन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट पेपर्स में, वो यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कश्मीर की ऑफिशियल आंसर की होती है। और कहीं कहीं पर कभी कोई क्वेश्चन गलत भी दिया हुआ होता है उन्होंने, तो वो आप चेक कर सकते हैं उस टाइम। तो हम चलेंगे सीधा क्वेश्चंस पर। तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हमारे सामने है। ए 4-bit parallel full adder without any initial carry requires an आंसर डी पर है 7 हाफ एडर्स एंड 3 OR गेट्स। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, each cell of random access memory contains, आंसर ए पर है 6 MOS transistors। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, the total number of operation codes and instructions in the 8085 microprocessor instruction set are dash and dash respectively। तो इसका आंसर सी पार्ट है 74 and 246। Fourth question, the following program is run on an 8085 microprocessor memory address in hex instructions। तो यहाँ पर पहले इसको नोट कीजिए। उसके बाद यहाँ पर कहता है at the completion of execution of program the program counter contains dash and the stack pointer contains dash। तो इन दो डैशों में क्या आएगा? इसका आंसर डी पार्ट है 2050 OFFC। उसके बाद चलेंगे हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पर। A memory system has a total of 8 memory chips, each with 12 address lines and 4 data lines. The total size of the memory system is, आंसर ए पार्ट है 32K bytes। Second question, in 8085 the number of output ports in the peripheral mapped IO is restricted to, आंसर बी पार्ट है 256। Seventh question, different ways of making operands available in 8085 are called, आंसर बी पार्ट है addressing modes। Question number 8, which of the following techniques is preferable for transferring large amount of data to and from the memory in a short time? तो आंसर सी पार्ट है DMA। उसके बाद 9th क्वेश्चन, how are the bits of the register PSW affected if we select bank 2 of 8051? तो आंसर डी पार्ट है। तो हम चलेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 पर। नंबर ऑफ IO ports in the 8051 microcontroller are, B part 4 ports। 11th question, a 1.0 kilohertz square wave signal is passed through an ideal filter having cutoff at 4500 Hz. It is used to amplitude modulate a carrier of 10K Hz. The spectral width of modulated signal is, ए पर इसका आंसर है 8.0 kHz। उसके बाद चलेंगे 12th क्वेश्चन पर। The Carlson bandwidth of an FM system is 170 kHz when the frequency deviation is 75 kHz. The modulation index beta is, तो आंसर सी पर है 7.5। 13th question, envelope detection is used for, B part DSB AM। 14th question, a signal xt is equal to a sin omega t is affected by noise nt and represents the noise power. The SNR of a system is, सी पर इसका आंसर है a square by 2n। तो चलेंगे 15 क्वेश्चन पर। A signal xt having peak to peak signal swing 2.04 at V is sampled. The sampling rate is 8,000 samples per second. Each sample is coded as an 11-bit linear PCM code. The step size is D.1 MV 16. To separate channels in a TDM receiver, it is necessary to use a port and gates. 17 question. Source encoding in a data communication system is done in order to port enhance the information transmission rate. उसके बाद 18 question. Which of the following requires a synchronizing signal B part PAM? 19 question. Quantization noise occurs in D-part pulse code modulation. चलेंगे 20 question पर. A signal can be recovered from its sample by using A-part low pass filter. उसके बाद 21 question. A codeless telephone using separate frequencies for transmission in base and portable units is known as A-part duplex arrangement. उसके बाद 22 question. Which of the following memory devices stores information such as subscribers identification number in GSM, CPAT, SIM? उसके बाद 23rd question. Dash manages the switching function in GSM. Answer B part है NSS. उसके बाद 24 question. What is a frequency reuse? Answer A part है process of selecting and allocating channels. चलेंगे 25 question पर. Dash gets propagated through networks and technologies like SMS, Bluetooth, wireless medium, USBs and infrared to affect mobile phones. तो आंसर सी part है malware. 26. In majority of instruments, damping is provided by answer C part है eddy currents. 27 question. A universal RLC bridge uses B part Maxwell-Wien bridge configuration for measurement of inductance and distance bridge for measurement of capacitance. चलेंगे 28 question पर. Capacitance sensor can measure very small displacement. It can be formed by varying D-part either A or B or C. यानी या separation या area या permittivity. उसके बाद चलेंगे 29 question पर. If the quantity to be measured remains constant during the process of taking the repeated measurements, then the random errors can be eliminated by D-part either A or B. 30 question. LVDT, which is an instrument for the measurement of displacement, works on the principle of C-part mutual inductance. Question number 31. Q factor of a series resonance circuit can be increased by using answer A part है a coil of large inductance and small ohmic resistance. 32 question. Superposition theorem is applicable to answer D part है current and voltage both. उसके बाद 33 question. At t is equal to 0 plus with 0 initial condition, which of the following act as an open circuit? तो आंसर A part है इंडक्टर. चलेंगे हम 34 question पर. The current through a branch in a linear network is 2A when the input source voltage is 10 volt. If the voltage is reduced to 1V and the polarity is reversed, the current through the branch is B part minus 0.2. 35 question. dBm is a C part ratio of power. 36 question. Mobility of holes in intrinsic SI is A part 0.048 m square by Vs. 37. The reverse saturation current SI diode varies as d pot T raised power 3 by 2. 38 question. The tunnel diode CPOT uses a high doping level to provide a narrow junction. चलेंगे हम 39 क्वेश्चन पर. For a BJT, DE, DB and DC are doping concentrations for emitter, base and collector respectively. Then CPOT DE greater than DB greater than DC. 40 question. The voltage divider bias is used to make the Q point A pot independent of beta. उसके बाद 41 question. The H parameters of a BJT are B pot dependent on ICQ. 42 question. The transition cutoff frequency FT at which the magnitude of short circuit current gain of transistor in CE configuration is. Answer C part है unity. 43 question. Dynamic transfer curve of an amplifier is a plot of. Answer B part है output current or voltage versus input excitation. 44 question. Low frequency response of amplifiers is mainly limited by. Answer B part है bypass capacitors. चलेंगे हम 45 क्वेश्चन पर. A Darlington amplifier is characterized by. इसका आंसर बी पार्ट है very high input resistance and current gains. उसके बाद चलेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 46 पर. Crossover distortion in class B push-pull amplifiers can be overcome by. आंसर बी पार्ट है operating it as class AB. उसके बाद चलेंगे हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 47 पर. Why are RC oscillators unsuitable for radio frequency applications? तो आंसर इसका ए पार्ट है at higher radio frequencies capacitors required have non-practical values. उसके बाद चलेंगे 48 क्वेश्चन पर. The frequency at which the differential gain in OP AMPs is 0 dB is called. आंसर ए पार्ट है यूनिटी गेन क्रॉस ओवर फ्रीक्वेंसी. चलेंगे हम 49 क्वेश्चन पर. इन कैस्केड tuned amplifier the impedance transformation is achieved through. आंसर सी पर है tapping both of the above A and B. चलेंगे 50 क्वेश्चन पर. A differentiator is rarely used in analog computers because. C part it amplifies noise, drift and other unwanted disturbances. 51 question. For an OP AMP with negative feedback the output is. Answer C part है fed back to the inverting input. 52 question. For operating a P channel MOSFET the gate is applied a. C pot negative potential for enhancement mode. उसके बाद 53rd question. An SCR may be turned off by. Answer C part है by reducing the current below the holding value. चलेंगे हम 54 क्वेश्चन पर. In case a reverse biased photodiode is kept in dark condition the current flowing through the device corresponds to. आंसर बी पर है वैल्यू ऑफ रिवर्स सैचुरेशन करंट. चलेंगे हम 55 क्वेश्चन पर. The efficiency of an LED for generating light is directly proportional to the depot current injected. 56. Which of the following is a unique property of laser? C pot coherence. 57 question. The output a two input logic gate is 1 when all its input are at logic 0. The gate is D pot none of the above. उसके बाद 58 question. When signed numbers are used in binary arithmetic then which of the following notations would have unique representation for 0? C pot 2's complement. 59. A 4-bit module 16 used JK flip-flop if the progression delay of each flip-flop is 50 ms. The maximum clock frequency is equal to depot none of the above. उसके बाद if a counter having 10 flip-flops in is initially at 0, what count will it hold after 2060 pulses? C पर इसका आंसर है 0000110000। दोस्तों ये था इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स 2020 का पेपर। आज के वीडियो में फिलहाल इतना ही। थैंक यू।